Good morning folks, and today's job is another vanity swapping with a basin, a pedestal basin. And so we're swapping this pedestal basin for a lovely new Clifton Bathrooms vanity. So let's see how it unfolds. Hello folks, thanks for checking out the channel again. So a bit of a thin work week this week. There's not much I could have filmed. I did hung 7 oak doors, but I mean I've done so many doors on this channel. I just thought it might be a bit dull for you guys, but what I did want to do was just to tell you about a bit more about my work ethic and my work life. I've just finished editing this video now that's just going out, and It's 8:30 at night, and I'm extremely tired. And I mean, I'm 65 years old now, and I've been doing this job for 13 years, coming up my 14th year. And lately, I've been realising that my stamina is depleting. I'm tired quicker, and I'm tired more often, and so a little bit of negativity is creeping in, and I'm just wondering whether I can continue to do this job. I mean, I was the oldest man to ever get a mortgage. I'm supposed to be working until I'm 79, and I had to write a letter to get, as part of the terms of the mortgage, I had to write a letter to describe how I would still be working at 79. So I sort of said, well, I've got light duties, my knees are in good condition, and stabbing in the dark at the end, I said, well, my father's 82 and he's still working. So anyway, I've decided that I'm going to start trying to get some exercise. I always played squash, and I'm even considering going to the gym. There is a school of thought that says that if you get exercise, that in a perverse way brings you more energy. So anyway, these are the insecurities of doing this job at my age, and anyway, hopefully we'll get some more interesting work for you next week. But thanks once again for your loyalty.